Hello and welcome back to Modeling Manhood. Today I'm at the farm here and just thinking about all the creative uses that we've had around the farm for 15-gallon drums. This is one that had iodine udder dip in it for after milking the cows, and we've used 15-gallon drums for everything from scrapers, for moving manure in the barn, for sono tubes like on this bulk tank behind me. My dad even made a slide for us kids out of 15-gallon drums when we were younger. Once we even made a duck flotation device, kind of like a duck house that also doubled as like a jumping ramp for swimming in the pond as kids. And it seems like 15-gallon drums always were getting cut up or used for something. You know what? We are creative people. And that creativity comes from our Maker, who created us back in the beginning and created us in our mother's womb. And I'm so thankful that God has given us the ability to think and act. And one of the best decisions we can do is think about Him and the blessings that He's given us, and just a relationship that we can have with Him if we choose. And that's the choice that He's given us. It's called free will. In the Bible, there were two very creative men in the book of Exodus that were challenged with the task of helping build the tabernacle. And these two gentlemen, I'm probably going to butcher their names, were Oholiab and Bezaleel. And the Lord said to Moses, this is Exodus chapter 31, "See, I have called by name Bezaleel, the son of Uri, son of Hur, from the tribe of Judah, and I have filled him with the Spirit of God, with ability and intelligence and knowledge in all craftsmanship, to devise artistic designs, to work in gold, silver, bronze, in cutting stones for setting, and in carving wood, to work in every craft. And behold, I have appointed with him Oholiab, the son of Ahishkamach, the tribe of Dan, and I have given to him the ability, given to all able men ability, that they may make all that I have commanded you, the tent of meetings, the ark of the testimony, and the mercy seat that is on it, and all the furnishings of the tent, the table and its utensils, the pure lampstand with all its utensils, the altar of incense, and the altar of burnt offering with all of its utensils, and the basin and its stand, and the finely worked garments, and the holy garments for Aaron the priest, and the garments for his sons, for their service as priests, and the anointing oil, and the fragrant incense for the holy place. According to all that I have commanded you, they shall do." And in the book of Exodus there, these two gentlemen and all men with ability were basically summoned by Moses, or called by Moses, to get the tabernacle ready, so God had a place to meet with them. And I am so thankful that in a New Testament era, since Jesus has died on the cross, we can have that relationship in our heart. We don't need to go someplace special to meet with God, or go do some fancy prayer to have Jesus hear us. He is always there if we are just willing to call out to Him. And that heart relationship with Him is so important. And I hope that you guys, in all your creativity, don't forget who was the creative one, the one that we are created in His image. And He loves you, and all He wants is a relationship with you. So thank you guys for joining us here at Modeling Manhood. Next time you guys see some drums on the side of the road, or something that just seems to be laying around, think of all the creative uses for it, whether it's like an empty milk jug, or like a junk this or junk that. We have so many uses. Try to reduce, reuse, and recycle the best you can. And that's my encouragement for you guys today. Think about ways that you can use your gifts too, especially your gift as a witness to a world that is so lost. Thank you guys for joining us here at Modeling Manhood. And as always, remember to mirror your Maker and journey with Jesus.